आम्ही सत्याग्रह करण्याचा मार्ग निवडला आहे. त्यामुळे कृपया आमच्या उघडपणे समोर येण्याला कुणीही सरेंडर समजू नये.
Let's get to the point. This is the crunch. Dedicate this joint to Kabir Kalam Manch. They are poets. They say what the facts are right, but the state is calling them Naxalite. Get to the point. This is the crunch. Dedicate this joint to Kabir Kalam Manch. They are poets. They say what the facts are right, but the state. Is calling them Naxalites. Who is Kabir Kalam Manch? You browse in the news. A group that was formed in 2002 of poets and artists who are loud with their views. The real artist tells the crowd what was true. The scripts were hard, cause the reality though, this shit's bizarre. Where did equality go? There's no quality though. It's such a tragedy, yo. Could be a parody show, what we gladly ignore. 2 Dalits are raped, 3 killed every day. Can you relate or even see what it may feels in the state where you deal with the hate, but the scene is replaced with the cream of the fake upper class, upper caste privilege. You say fuck the past villages, but the past images still in vast villages. Even in the cities you see caste still exists. You think not, but the dream won't last. Get shot for saying Jai Bhim comrade. You think not, but the dream won't last. Get shot for saying Jai Bhim comrade. Let's get to the point. This is the crunch. Dedicate this joint to Kabir Kalam Manch. They are poets. They say what the facts are right, but the state is calling them Naxalite. Get to the point. This is the crunch. Dedicate this joint to Kabir Kalam Manch. They are poets. They say what the facts are right, but the state is calling them Naxalite. Just let the flow say what the pen spray. Arrest Siddharth Bhosle and Deepak Dengle, but in the end they know the case is weak. So the state it seeks to erase the streak of being honest and true. Keep adjusting these dates so they extend the custody. Forget just or free. These are the dark days after surrender of Sheetal Sathe. 6 months pregnant. Let me hone the story. Judicial custody, unlike Sony Sori, who they sexually abuse. There's crazy stress for intellectual views. End up with ATS. Sachin Mali under anti-terrorist squad. So now poets can be terrorist lord. Please note, there are no charges of violence. It's a cheap joke, and we've largely been silent. They sing of malnutrition and farmer suicides on that Bhagat Singh shit. This is martyrs music, right? The real Bob Dylan's 2 parts of the nation, while indie scene is just a simulation. They're the real deal. They're not what militants be. Some songs might endorse militancy, but merely endorsing a view is not a criminal act. While the losses accrue where the minerals at, the corporates are robbing the nation blind. But that's all great, just don't relate their crimes to the people that makes these suckers jump. That's why they arrested Kabir Kalam Manch. Kabir Kalam Manch, that's why they arrested Kabir Kalam Manch. Put your fist in the air like you gonna punch, and sing for Kabir Kalam Manch. For Kabir Kalam Manch. Free Kabir Kalam Manch. Free Sheetal Sathe, Deepak Dengle, Sachin Mali, Siddharth Bhosle. Free poets who speak up. Free Kabir Kalam Manch.